officer. Today po I will be performing a general survey, measuring your height and weight, and obtaining your vital signs. I will also assess the pain that you are experiencing in your right ankle. So this procedure will take only a few minutes. All information gathered will be kept confidential. I will perform hand hygiene first. Then, I will provide privacy throughout the assessment. So, the patient is a 90 years old male, conscious, alert, and oriented to person, place, and time. He appears with room, facial grimacing, as noted, and the patient is limping while walking due to pain in the right ankle. So that time I will taking my patient's vital signs. I will clean the thermometer before I put in my patient armpit. And then taking a blood pressure.
Yan.
The result of our height and weight measurement. So the weight is 59 kilograms and our height is 100 centimeters. The temperature is 38 degrees Celsius and the pulse rate is 76 beats per minute and regular in rhythm. And for our respiratory is 16 beats per minute with normal pressure, and the blood pressure is 110/80 millimeters of mercury. So sir, I would like to ask you some questions regarding your ankle pain. So, what caused the pain?
While rushing to class.
What makes the pain worse?
Walking or moving my ankle.
So, what makes it better?
Rest.
How would you describe the pain?
Severe pain.
Where exactly do you feel the pain?
Right ankle.
Does the pain spread anywhere else?
No. Still there.
So, using a scale of 0 to 10, where 0, no pain, and 10 means the worst pain imaginable, how would you rate your pain?
Maybe 4.
When did the pain start?
About an hour ago, after I trip.
Has it been constant since then?
Yes.
Thank you. I have completed the pain assessment. The assessment is now complete. Thank you for your cooperation, Mr. Dinapas. Do you have any questions or concerns? I will now document my findings. So thank you and have a good day.
Thank you.
I will now document my findings. The patient is alert and oriented with facial grimacing and limping due to right ankle pain. Vital signs were obtained and recorded. Pain assessment revealed sharp right ankle pain and rated 8 out of 10 following a fall. Documentation completed.